Hello, Armando here. I'm just going to quickly go over what I consumed on an average day during my bulk. So I started each morning with some black coffee. That's the best way to get the morning started. And I also eat a bowl of cereal with some protein powder. So I shake up a scoop of protein powder and almond milk. I usually have Cheerios, but I have some Lucky Charms with me, and then I hit a workout. Once my workout is complete, I go to my post-workout meal, which is a breakfast smoothie with some sourdough toast. This smoothie is delicious. It varies a little bit. I typically use egg whites, but I've been out. Then I get to work, and I have some more coffee, and then here is everything I typically eat for lunch and snack on throughout my work shift. Got baby carrots, banana to slice up into my overnight oats and yogurt. I have some different fruits with me. Today I had some mandarins. And since it's bulk, I put a little bit of Reese Pieces in my yogurt to spice it up. Because, it's bulking season. And there's some peanut butter in here, Greek yogurt. Shit is gas, bruh. So good. And then I get home and it's time for dinner. Usually I have a bunch of brown rice. This case I had over 300 grams. I like some tofu. I like to drizzle it some non-calorie hot sauce. And I also need to have some steamed veggies on the side. This is what I usually have every night, especially on the weekdays, and I could honestly eat this all the time. I love this meal. And then, depending where my calories are, it's time for dessert. So I've been eating 3,400 calories a day. So I usually, wherever I end up by the end of the day, I will determine how many more calories I need to hit my calorie goal. And then I will weigh out the ice cream appropriately. So in this case, I'm eating this Tillamook brownie chocolate ice cream with a couple of chocolate rice cakes. So I'll do the math really fast on my calculator, determine how many calories I need. And then with this scale, it has an associated app that I love. So I have the ice cream preloaded into the app, bring it up, and then I'll weigh it as I go. And it'll tell me exactly how many calories I am weighing out. And I'll just go until I pretty much hit what I have left. And once I am there, I will save it. And then I'll double check my totals. And once my totals look about accurate, 3,400 point, what is this, 8 in this case, 3,400 calories, I'm good. And then I just chill, relax the rest of the night, and enjoy this delicious ice cream, because it's fucking bomb, y'all. Anyways, my bulk is almost over. I'm going to miss eating ice cream at the end of every night, because I'm going to be cutting this out. But it's okay. I feel like all this excess sugar I've been consuming has made me break out a little bit more. But it tastes so good. Worth it, bruh. Later. Peace. Get sweaty.